welcome back to my Walmart Ibotta haul. I'm here to share with you guys weekly deals that you guys can do with Ibotta and get some money back and make some bonuses. And yes, a lot of you guys really enjoy these types of videos and I love sharing with you guys. A lot of you guys haven't received or haven't even reached certain levels until you guys found my channel, which is awesome. But if you guys haven't already joined Ibotta, Ibotta is free to join. You guys can just click my referral link below. Once you guys redeem $10 worth of rebates, you guys will get a $10 bonus. So that's free money. So just letting you guys know on that, definitely join Ibotta. I show you guys every single week deals just for Ibotta deals and then some other freebies that you guys can do. So I had an awesome trip at Walmart. I'm here to share with you guys. Now I did get a couple repeaters and I did do some other deals. So wanted to share with you guys on that. Now the first deal I did was the Band-Aid deal. Now there's some 50% off coupons that you guys can use from the coupons.com app, but it says Band-Aid Premium. So I don't know, I got kind of confused. So I got these were $1.97, and then when they scanned the coupon did not scan. So I ended up, I'm like, whatever, if the coupon scans, I'm not gonna fight it. I kind of got confused by the wording on it because it said, here you go, sweetie. Because the wording said premium. So I'm like, just take the coupon off. I'm like, whatever, I'll pay $1.97 for this. And these were like just the tiny little ones. So I thought, you know what, for 50 count for Band-Aids, I'm like, that's a pretty good deal. So I paid $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a dollar rebate on Ibotta, making it just 97 cents. So if you guys are interested in doing that deal, definitely do that deal. Now I did the Playtex Gentle Glide deal again because we just got those 3 off of 2 coupons. So these were $3.97 for these. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that was on, that we just got in the inserts, and I think they're also in the coupons that we got from coupons.com, but I'm not 100% positive. You guys would pay $4.94 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a dollar rebate times 2 on Ibotta. And you guys can submit a dollar rebate on checkout 51, making the final price for these just $1.94 or 97 cents a piece. Now, if you guys you always question me, checkout 51 doesn't let you submit your receipts if you use coupons. Yes, that is true. But I always submit my checkout 51 rebates when I have a ton of stuff. Like my receipt's pretty long, and half the time they're not going to just go through every single item and itemize it. So if you guys are just buying like 1 or 2 items and you use it and submit it, you're going to get denied. But if you buy like a ton of stuff like your regular groceries, most likely they will approve you, because they're not going to sit there and skim through your receipt. They're pretty good with, you know, your honesty. So giving you guys a heads up on that. But I think for 97 cents for this stuff is a pretty good deal. So I'm going to keep on doing this until they stop doing it, which will probably be soon. I ended up doing the Dove body wash deal. Thank you. I'm sorry, somebody sent me some coupons with some Dove body wash because I didn't get very much of those and I forgot the name. I have the piece of paper up at my desk and I forgot the name, but thank you for sending me all those coupons. I ended up doing the Dove deal again. Now this is a great deal. So what you guys want to do is buy a woman's body wash for $5.94 and a men's body wash for $5.94. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon. You guys would just pay $5.94 for the both of these. So that's still an okay deal. But then you guys can submit a dollar rebate for the Dove and you get for the women's, and you guys can also submit a dollar rebate for the men's, making it $3.94 for the both of these, or just $1.97, so $2. Plus you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app where you guys, you know, submit certain items, you guys get points, and you guys click my referral link, you guys will get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, and you can start redeeming gift cards as low as $3. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. So ended up doing that deal. Well, there's 4 different Dove rebates going on right now, so I ended up doing the pump foam a shower deal. Now these are the same prices, same deal, so you guys will end up getting each one for about $2 or $1.97 a piece. So if you guys are really into, you know, the Dove stuff, definitely do that deal before those coupons expire. And I think those coupons expire on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure. I think it's Sunday. I'm not sure, but definitely do that deal. Now, you guys all know we went L'Oreal wasted last time, and a lot of you guys got to do this deal over and over again. Well, they stopped doing that deal, and now they changed it. So, the L'Oreal Olive deal is $3.97. Now, you guys can do this two different ways. You can use that $1 off coupon, and you guys would end up paying, $2.97. You submit your receipt, you get them for like $1. But this comes out to be a better deal because then you guys have the mates. So these were both $3.97. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon that we got, right? You guys use that coupon. You guys would pay $3.94 for both of these. But then you guys can only submit one $2 rebate on Ibotta, which is weird. It's just a limit of 1. So you guys would get that $2 rebate on Ibotta. So these come out to be $1.94 for the both of them, or just 97 cents. So it comes out to be the same price if you guys buy one, or it comes out to be the same price if you guys buy 2. So it's up to you guys what deal you guys want to do, but you'll end up paying about $1 for each bottle no matter what deal you guys do. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal, okay? Now I ended up doing the soft scrub toilet bowl cleaner. These were $1.98. Now there are 75% off coupons that you guys can print off the soft scrub website. Now that coupon is a limit of one per transaction, but it still saves you guys money. You guys would use that 75% off coupon. You guys would pay $3.21 for the both of these. But then you guys can get a $2 rebate when you buy 2 at a time, making it $1.21 or just 61 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in some toilet bowl cleaner, definitely do it. I don't like this kind. I don't like the smell of pine, so still I give it away, but still wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, I did the Biotene mouthwash deal again because I think it's somewhat of a decent deal, and it's products we really don't get all the time. So the Biotene was $3.47. You guys want to use that $1.50 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $1.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate. Now I had a deal on my Ibotta where if you bought 2 oral care things at different times, you guys would get a $1 rebate back. So I ended up getting $2 back, one for the regular Ibotta and then one for like the bonus. So this ends up becoming a 3-cent moneymaker. So I could not go wrong with this. Okay. Next deal I bought, and I'm pretty excited to use some of these zebra coupons up. Now check your pen coupon dates, because if they don't expire till after school starts, you guys might be able to get some deals. But these zebra pens, these are not clickable, they're just regular smooth ballpoint pens. These are 97 cents a piece, which is still a pretty good deal for the Zebra brand. You guys want to use that $1.25 off of 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just get the both of these for 69 cents or just 35 cents a piece. So I plan on doing this deal multiple times because I cannot go wrong with pens that are super cheap. So, and yeah, so I wanted to share with you guys on that for if you guys need some pens. Trust me, we'll be going like pen crazy over the next couple weeks, you guys, because yeah. So I did the Bic deal again. So this was a 97 cents at my store. Now they do have some that are $1.97 and or $1.17, and some are 97 cents. So it depends on what kind of pens you guys like. I'm not picky. I bring these to work, so I don't really care. But these were 97 cents. You guys use that $1 off coupon. That coupon does have overage, so you guys will get these for a 3-cent money maker. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I had to show you guys with the Bic pens. And then I ended up getting the Bic Gelocity pens. Now these were $1.97. There's just 2 of them. They're fine. They work great. I like these pens. I like the clickable stuff. You guys want to use that $1.50 off coupon that we got yesterday, you guys would just get this for 47 cents. So that comes out to be like a quarter a pen, which could be a pretty decent deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. And then the last deal I got are the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails treatment. Now this at my store was $2.46. This is the natural tint. It's this Hard as Nails, the nail clinic in a bottle. So some of your guys' stores might have different prices. But $2.46, you guys use that $1 off coupon that we just got this past Sunday's paper. You guys would just pay $1.46 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 54 cents. 54-cent moneymaker, I meant to say. Moneymaker, you guys would get this absolutely free. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now I wanted to do the regular Sally Hansen deal, but my store it was just too expensive, and it's actually a better deal right now getting those at Walgreens. So yes. My total came to $30.50. Another thing I do want to say is if you guys are out there bargaining for like toys and stuff, make sure you guys check out all the toys. I actually got this like waffle blocks, which is like a Little Tex brand. I got these waffle blocks train tracks that I wanted to get Ben for Christmas last year, and they had it last year for $54.97 or something, and then I saw it go down to like 30 something, and then I saw it go down to 20, and then today I saw it for $13. So I'm like, I'm snatching that up to get him for either his birthday or Christmas. But definitely check out your guys' clearance and go all over the place and see what you guys can find, because they got some really good prices on toys. But back to the Ibotta deals. My total came to $30.50. I ended up getting $14 back with Ibotta. I got $1 back with Checkout 51. I ended up getting that Ibotta oral bonus. So that was $1 bonus right there. And I hit level 4. Wow, I'm finished for the month. I ended up getting $2 back from hitting level 4. So I got everything for $12.50. I'm not going to say that's the greatest deal, but if you guys saw how much stuff I got, I think for $12.50, that is a great deal. I got 17 items for the price of just 74 cents a piece, which I will take it. I will take this body wash for 74 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. A lot of you guys enjoy these deals. I'm hoping August steps it up, because it's been it's been a decent month with Ibotta. I mean, June was bad, but July is good, and I'm hoping August is even better, especially with all the back to school stuff. There might be some good deals with, lunches and all that fun stuff. But yes, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. Check out my Coupon Addict t-shirt if you guys haven't already bought one. Tomorrow, Tuesday, and at the end of the night is the last chance you guys can buy it. I will be bringing them back if the company lets me around the holidays. So if you can get your significant others to buy them for you for the holidays, definitely do that. So I'm going to start bringing those. I'm going to bring these shirts back around November. So I'll probably have more subscribers, and maybe, by the time that happens, I'll get some extra shirts for a giveaway. So giving you guys a heads up on that. But yes, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for everybody who watches, supports my channel by watching and interacts with me. I love that. And you guys, if you haven't already joined Ibotta, go for it. If you guys do have Ibotta and you want to be on my Ibotta team, make sure you guys are connected through Facebook on the app. And make sure you friend request me. You gotta go down a ways, but you guys can friend request me, and you guys can be on the same team as me. But yes, just want to say thanks again, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.